It is so early. I'm waiting to check in for our Southwest flight right now. I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna go back to bed. And then we'll start today's vlog when I am more awake. Good morning and happy Sunday. I'm 1 minute away. It's Southwest, so you have to check in so you can get A boarding. I'm not sure if we're gonna get it. Still waiting. 6:15. Check in. We all got A boarding, so that's great. Okay, I'm going back to bed. Hey guys, so it's time to start packing. I have a giant mess. I'm gonna do my best to get everything together and kind of organize it and figure out what days I'm wearing what days Braylee's wearing what. And then after that, I'm gonna start packing actually. But let me show you what I have so far. Okay, I have nothing. I have a checklist of everything that I need. And then I just have piles of clothes. More clothes, toiletries over there. This is what I'm going to put in Braylee's little treat bag, packing cubes and shoes. So I have a lot of work to do. We're leaving tomorrow at 6:15 and that is pretty much all I have for now. Okay, so I just packed all of my toiletries. Next I'm gonna kind of get all the outfits together and see what I need to pack for certain days. And then after that, maybe I'll start packing up Braylee's bag. Okay, so I have our travel day outfits. Braylee has a little Lily Pulitzer outfit. I'm just gonna wear this Vineyard Vines sweatshirt, shirt, and some comfy white shorts. White shoes. When we get there, we are gonna explore LA a little bit, and I think we're gonna go to the Warner Brothers studio tour. So I'm gonna wear some romper from Anthro, and then Braylee will probably still be in this. The next day we're going to Galaxy's Edge. Braylee's gonna wear her little Ray costume and some brown sandals, and then I haven't decided between two different Target rompers. I packed like a few just like extra outfits. The next day, another Disney day, I'm probably gonna wear this Disneyland shirt, and Braylee will wear a Wild Rich Kids two-piece outfit. If she doesn't wear that, then she'll just wear like a little smocked outfit. More extra clothes. Last day, Braylee is gonna wear this adorable little Aurora outfit, and it's really comfortable and really short too for her, so she won't get too hot in that. And I'm gonna wear this kind of just like pink dress thing from Target. I brought a dress from Anthro for we're gonna eat that night at the Blue Bayou restaurant. More extra clothes. Our traveling home outfits. I'm gonna wear this airplane mode t-shirt, leggings, and then Braylee will just wear the Spirit jersey and some shorts. I have a swimsuit for Braylee and I. Undergarments. I haven't packed all of this stuff yet. This is for Braylee's treat bag, snacks. There's shoes back there. I have my sunglasses, milk cup for Braylee, my stuff that I'm gonna take in my carry-on bag. Disneyland does not have plastic straws anymore, and I hate paper straws, so I got these mermaid straws to take. My wallet, toiletries and medicine and stuff. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna start packing it all up now. packed. Now I'm gonna pack her little treat bag and then just stick everything in my luggage and we'll be done for the night, hopefully. Okay, for our carry-on, first I have snacks. Beef jerky, some fruit snacks, some crackers, some of these little, I don't know what they're called. We love them though. Fruit strips. They're so good. Kinder eggs for Braylee to stay busy if she wants something sweet. More crackers, goldfish, and those are snacks this time. I'm gonna stick them in a Ziploc bag and put them in my bag. And this is everything else that I will be putting in my carry-on. Just gum, deodorant, hand sanitizer, lotion, stuff like that. Sunglasses, little wipes. My 4-year-old loves baby toys, so this little jumbo that she made me, oh, this goes with her stuff actually. Okay, my laptop and Braylee's new iPad. And some chargers, AirPods, my wallet, milk cup. I don't know if I'm taking this. Yeah, I'll throw it in here. So I'm gonna have a rolling carry-on as well as a backpack. So I'm gonna stick my makeup, her blanket, change of clothes, and I think that's it inside of the rolling one. And then inside of my backpack, I'll put all of this stuff. Okay, this is how I packed it. I put my plugs in here, my wallet, it connects right here, snacks, and extra stuff over here, sunglasses. And then I put her iPad inside of my little laptop sleeve and put that right there. I think that's what this little pocket is for, probably. Okay, so next is Braylee stuff. Okay, now we have the fun stuff. My daughter's toys. So, like last time, just lots of little surprise packs. I have no idea what this is. I don't know if it's like those, like, I don't know. It makes me think of, like, something that you're supposed to pop. I hope it's not like a popping pimple thing or something like that. Maybe pets will come out of it. Just pop, can't stop. I don't know. I'll have to update y'all on this. Anyways, lots of little surprise toys. Like a little squishy ball. One of these coloring things. She loves this book, The Wonky Donkey. And then these little stickers. They're Melissa and Doug. And they're reusable stickers and she loves those. Okay, so that's what's going in Braylee's bag. Okay, all of Braylee's stuff is in here. Okay, I am done. I'm going to keep my camera in here in my rolling carry-on, makeup, a blanket, change of clothes, milk cup. I have everything in here. Also, this bag is from eBags. It's a really good luggage. Both of our little packing cubes, curling iron, all of that, shoes, an extra duffel bag. Usually, I put my dirty clothes in there and then just use that as another bag check-in. And then our 2 carry-ons. So I am done. Alright, that's it. I am done for the night. We're all packed up. We're excited to leave tomorrow. We are leaving so early and I'm already exhausted. I'm gonna try to put my daughter to bed. It's only like 7:30 right now. So wish me luck and I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. Bye.